started with Apple CarPlay by connecting either with a certified USB-C cable with data transfer capability or wirelessly through Bluetooth. If plugging in, connect the USB-C cable to your iPhone. Insert the cable into the USB-C port. Then accept the confirmation prompts on the touchscreen, then on your device by tapping Allow. Here on your iPhone, you can also enable USB-only data transfer or wireless transfer. To pair your iPhone via Bluetooth, in the App Connect menu, select Apple CarPlay. Open Bluetooth on your iPhone, then select your Volkswagen from the list. Displayed as MyVW and the last 4 digits of your vehicle identification number, or VIN. A password will appear on your touchscreen. If the password matches on both devices, tap Yes on the touchscreen, then Pair on your iPhone. Then select Allow to sync contacts and favorites, and, when prompted, choose Apple CarPlay or Bluetooth. Then accept Use CarPlay on your iPhone. If pairing is successful, your mobile device data will be saved for future use, and you're ready to explore content hands-free. If you have issues connecting, here are a few troubleshooting tips. First, make sure you've downloaded the latest Apple iOS on your device. When troubleshooting a wired connection, be sure you're using a certified cable plugged into the data transfer capable USB-C port. Try removing your device from your vehicle's infotainment system by tapping the trash can icon, or try restarting your device. For a wireless connection, be sure both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your device. Remove all Apple CarPlay profiles from your device's general settings by selecting Forget this device or Forget this connection. Or try reconnecting via USB-C first. To disconnect from Apple CarPlay, select the Volkswagen logo and the X phone icon.